Morning, puppy. Did you sleep well? Aish, I had a dream I traveled high above the clouds in an aeroplane. One day, I want to fly in a big aeroplane all over Africa. Maybe we can build a small plane today. Right, let's see what we can find in the recycling bin. I'll be right back, puppy. It will only be a small plane, but it will be out. Now I have to cut the plastic bottle like this. Now we push in the wings and then the tail. Our own plane. Ready to go flying with me, puppy? Whee! Whee! Let's fly all over Africa and explore. Where shall we visit next, puppy? A tropical island with palm trees and white sandy beach. Destination, Paradise Island.